Guys, it's me, Julia. In this video, I'll be going over practice test number 8, calculator section question 24. So let's get started. For the finale of a TV show, viewers could use either social media or text message to vote for their favorite of two contestants. The contestant receiving more than 50% of the vote won. An estimated 10% of the viewers voted and 30% of the votes were cast on social media. Contestant 2 earned 70% of the votes cast using social media and 40% of the votes cast using a text message. Based on this information, which of the following is an accurate conclusion? So this is those typical word problems. And usually the question is going to be really long, but you just need the key pieces of information. So it's asking for an accurate conclusion. So we need to look for all the options that are inaccurate and eliminate them and get the answer. So A, if all viewers had voted, contestant 2 would have won. Well, that's not true. That's not necessarily true because we don't know what the remaining 90% of the viewers are going to say about it. That's going to be extrapolating the data. We're looking outside of our data set because we're only focusing on the 10% of the viewers who voted. I mean, only 10% of the viewers voted in the first place. So this is inaccurate. We don't know. Viewers voting by social media were likely to be younger than viewers voting by text message. This said nothing about their age, so no. If all viewers who voted had voted by social media instead of by text message, contestant 2 would have won. No. This is a very risky type of conclusion to make, especially if there's multiple ways to vote. And we could say, oh, since they have a tendency to favor this contestant over this contestant for one type of voting system, then you can say, oh, there might be. But this is saying if all viewers who voted had voted by social media instead of text message, contestants would have won, like a statement. But that's not true because we don't know what the text message people would have said if they went on social media and voted. And this is just too general and not specific. We're not given specific aid for this statement. But D, which says viewers voting with social media were more likely to prefer contestant 2 than were viewers voting by text message. So we see that contestant 2 earned over 70% of votes casted on social media, right? 70%. And therefore we know that contestant 1 only got 30% of the votes. If you look over to text messages, 40% of the votes cast. So the contestant 2 got 40% of the votes casted on text messages, and the remaining goes to the contestant 1. So viewers voting by social media were more likely to prefer contestant 2, right? Is 70%. Than viewers voting by text message because he only got 40% on that. So we can conclude that D is the answer.